Dear friends, today let us make beautiful heart bracelets. For that purpose you need thread, needle, scissors, bracelet hooks, red, black, golden beads and some pearls. Now let us see how to make beautiful heart bracelets. First you take 9 golden beads in the needle. You tie together. Then later insert the needle once again inside the beads and secure by making the knot tightly. In the needle you take one pearl, one golden bead and one black bead. Later you take 14 red beads. Now you insert inside the black bead and take out. Then you can make a circle of red beads. Hold it tightly. Now insert inside the first red bead and take out. Take one black bead and insert in between 2 red beads. Same way, one more black bead between 2 red beads. Like that alternately you add black beads. Then later, by keeping a distance of 1 red bead, insert the needle inside the other red bead without inserting the black bead. Then later again 1 black bead in between 2 red beads and again one more black bead between 2 red beads. Like that alternately you are adding 4 black beads. Now the front portion of the heart will be ready. To make the back side of the heart, that is the cone shaped structure, you have to insert inside 4 red beads, then you take out. Then later by leaving 1 red bead, insert inside other 4 red beads. If you take out like that, the cone shaped structure of the heart will be ready. The same way we have to repeat for other hearts. We can make about 9 to 10 hearts according to the size of your hand. Can you see the beautiful heart? So now we can add the bracelet hooks and secure it. Then later your beautiful heart bracelet is ready to wear. You can make some bracelets for you and you can give to your friends also.